Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 3, data handling in class 7th. Let's revise this topic because we also have studied this topic in PT1. Dear student, first of all, we want to know what is data. ये data क्या होता है? Any raw information which we collect to know about it. Okay, any raw information which we know to collect about it. And to compare certain things is called data. Here we have to collect to know about that and compare about these things. So that things are known as data. This information is in the form of facts and figures and is collected for some specific purpose. So if we are going to collect the data, that has to be some specific purpose. Let's see example of data. Number of students in a class. In a particular class, if we want to know, so a type of data is number of students in the class. So first thing we have understand that what is data. Now how to handle this data. We need to collect, organize and represent that data to draw inferences from it. Okay, this is called data handling. अब हमने data तो collect कर लिया. Now how to handle that? So in that case there are few steps in data handling. First of all, collection of the data. सबसे पहला step क्या है? Collection of data. Second step, organization of data by making tables. Okay, tabulation करके हम organize करते हैं अपने data को. After that, we have to representative value. We have to find out representative values to give some inferences. जो हमें answers चाहिए वो कहाँ से मिलते हैं हमको? representative value से. इनके लिए हमको क्या find out करना है? इनके लिए arithmetic mean, median, mode ये हमको पढ़ना है. Okay? Now continue. Students, let's start through an example how to find arithmetic mean, or we can say mean, or also we can say that average. All are the same things of a series. Example 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, 2, 5. These are the series or data, and we have to find out the arithmetic mean or average, whatever we want to know of this series. So first of all, solution. What is the formula for finding mean? Mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Now, what is the sum here? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5. Divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers. Divided by 7. So, let's see what is the result here. 2 plus 3, 5, 5, 10, 10, 5, 15, 15, 4, 19, and this one is 20 and 28. 28 divided by 7. Now, 7 plus 7, 7 4s are 20. So, we got 4 here, and we can say the mean or average or arithmetic mean, whatever, is 4 here. Okay, so for finding mean, what we have to do? We have to sum all the values and divide how many values are there. यानी उनके नंबर से, काउंटिंग नंबर से, कितने नंबर्स हैं उनसे हमें डिवाइड करना है टोटल सम. So in this manner we can find mean of any series We know 0 is the least, so 0 comes first here, then 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All 7 numbers are here. Now, for finding median, we know median is equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Here n is 7. So n plus 1 by 2th observation, yani 7 plus 1 by 2th observation will be 7 plus 1, 8 by 2th observation, which is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4th observation. So in the series where we have written ascending order, which is the 4th term, that is known as median. So here ascending order we have written here. So 4th observation, 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. At 4th observation 3 is written. So 3 will be the median in this case. Median will be equals to 3. Similarly, if we have to find out the median in case of even numbers, we also can find out, and the formula for finding median will be, I am writing here, median for even case is equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2th plus 1 observation divided by 2. This will be the median in case of even series. Suppose we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have arranged this in ascending order. First step for finding median, you have to revise that, you have to learn or keep it in mind that ascending or descending order is compulsory. Without finding this series in ascending or descending order, your median will definitely be wrong. Okay? So first step for finding median in any series, whatever in odd series or whatever in even series, you have to find out ascending or descending order. Okay, it is compulsory. Now I have arranged the series in ascending order and I know here n is 6, which is even. Now how to find median in even case? I know the formula is n by 2th, and n by 2th, which is equals to 6 by 2th. I am finding median here. Median is equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2th plus 1th observation divided by 2. It is the formula. Now we know n is 6 here, 6 by 2th observation plus 6 by 2th plus 1th observation divided by 2. Here 6 by 2, that means third. mode. Suppose I have given a series 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3. Okay, dear students. And I have to find out the mode here. So I have to check which digit or which number comes most of the time in the series. So I know that 3 comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 comes 5 times. And no other number comes 5 times. It is the maximum times which the same numbers comes here. So mode will be 3 here. जो सबसे ज्यादा बारी ऑब्जर्वेशन आएगा that is known as mode. Now know about range also. Range. Formula for finding range is highest observation minus lowest observation. It is the formula for finding range. Suppose in the same series, which is the highest observation? सबसे बड़ा observation कौन सा है? Here we see that 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3. 4 is the highest. So highest observation is 4. और सबसे छोटा नंबर lowest observation कौन सा है? 1. 4 minus 1. 3 will be the range of this series. So it is all about mean, median, mode and range also. Now we have to understand about bar graphs. Now dear students, let's see bar graph. You also have prepared bar graph in previous classes. So what simple bar graph? What are the simple bar graph? If we are able to represent one set of data in a single graph, that is known as single bar graph, like this. Example, score of students in mathematics. So what kind of data we have? Single kind of data. One student, 1 marks in one subject. So it will be represented here like this. A student got 50 marks in maths. B student got 40 marks in this maths. And C student got 30 marks in maths. Similarly, D student got 60 marks in maths. And E student got 35 marks in maths. So single data is represented on a single graph. It is known as single bar graph. Now, in the similar manner, we have double bar graph also, and we have to prepare double bar graph in similar manner. How? But what is the difference? Difference is two sets of observation or data is represented on a single graph. We have a single graph, but set of two data. How? Let's see the example. Score of students in maths and science. Score of students in maths and science are represented on a single graph. Here, science is by this blank and maths is shown by this shaded bars. Now, look at here in this bar graph, which is a double bar graph. Here, marks are written on the y-axis and students are on x-axis. A student got 30 marks in science and A student got 50 marks in maths. Similarly, B student got 30 marks in science while in maths he got 25 better marks in maths or in science. What is the relation here? So this type of bar graph are suitable for comparison. Now dear students, let's see probability. Probability, it is the measure of uncertainty of an event. That means कोई इवेंट हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा, उसकी सर्टेनिटी अनसर्टेनिटी के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about that, then we are talking about probability. So first of all, what are certain events? Certain means sure. जो चीजें होंगी ही होंगी, that is known as certain events. And probability of a certain event, probability of a certain event, जो काम होगा ही होगा, that has probability equals to 1. And what is the probability of uncertain event? Uncertain means we are not sure that it will be happen or it will not be happen. So that lies between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1. If a certain event may be happen or may not be happen, that we are uncertain about happening of that event, so we can say the probability of that event lies between 0 and 1. While probability of not happening, of an event, if we know that any event will not be happen in any condition, कुछ भी हो जाए, कोई काम होगा ही नहीं, if we are that much sure, then we can say the probability of that event will be 0. In that case, if we are sure कि काम होगा ही नहीं, then that has a probability equals to 0. So these are the things. Now formula for finding probability. Probability of an event is equals to number of event, number of favorable upon total number of events. Now through an example we can understand. If we are throwing a die, and what we want 2 in that particular die. We want only 2 here. So how many chances that it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5 also, and it may be 6. But Now dear students, let's start our class work of this chapter, data handling. And here we are going to start multiple choice question. That means MCQs. Question number 1. Question number 1 is a dash bar graph helps in comparing two collections of data at a glance. So which is answer here? First one is single, second double, third one pi, and fourth one is none of these. So we know it very well. For comparison of two data, we have to use double bar graph. So the answer is a double bar graph helps in comparing two collections of data at a glance. It is your question number 1. Now question number 2. Probability lies between dash and dash. So we know it very well. Probability lies between here first option is 0 and 1, second option is 1 and 2, third option is 3 and 4, and fourth option is 4 and 5. But we know it very well that probability lies in 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1 probability lies. So the answer is probability lies between 0 and 1. Now question number 3. The probability is dash in case of definitely happen event. If something has to be happen definitely, so the probability will be 1 here. But we have given 4 options, 0, -1, 1 and none of these. So the correct option is option number 3, 1. Probability is 1 in case of definitely happen event. If we are sure that the event has to be happen, so its probability will be 1. Now question number 4. Probability in case of impossible events is, in case of impossible, that means we know it very well that the event has to be happen is impossible. So in that case probability will be, there are 4 options again, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the correct option is 0. Probability in case of impossible event is option number 1, 0. 0. The answer here. Now question number 5. The data, here one series is given of data 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. And we have to find out its mode. So the data this has mode. What is the mode here? We know it very well. Mode is the maximum frequently event. जो भी सबसे ज़्यादा number of time repeat हो रहा है, that is most frequently. Here, look at the question very carefully. 2 repeats once, 2, 3. 3 times 2 comes here. While 3 comes only 2 times and 4 comes only 1 times. 5 also once, 6 also once and 7 also once. So the maximum number of times that digit come in this series, that number is 2. So the mode of this data is option number 1, 2. We have given 4 options here, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of which 2 is the correct answer. Here mode is 2, which is option number A. Now question number 6. Which of the following is mean of first 5 natural number? Dear students, we know it very well. Natural numbers solutions here we may have, but out of this we want only tail here. So the probability of getting tail in tossing a coin is 1 out of 2, which is half. Okay, so we have given 4 options. First one 1, second 0, third half, and fourth one is none of these. So the correct answer will be here option number third, half. We can say what is the probability of getting a tail in tossing of a coin is equals to half. How? Because we need tail, okay, which comes once and out of 2, because we have totally we make head also and tail also. So the answer will be 1 by 2. Now question number 9. Which of the following is median of the data? Here one data is given and they are asking about median. So what will be the median and how can we find out the median? We have to arrange the data or the series in ascending or descending. जिस भी ऑर्डर में आप चाहें, ascending में चाहें ascending में नोट डाउन करिए, descending में चाहें descending में नोट डाउन करिए. First of all, we have to arrange this data in ascending order. How? Look at here. Here we have 17, which is the least value. 17, then 18. 17 हो गया, 18 हो गया. After this, it will be 24. Then 2 times 25. 25, 25. And after that 36 and 46, 36 and then 46. So we have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have total number 7 and we know which is odd number. So we know that median, formula of median says n plus 1 by 2th observation will be the median. Okay, this observation will be the median. So we have arranged the data in ascending order and here n is 7. 7 plus 1 which is 8. 8 by 2 yani 4th term. 4th term comes here 1, 2, 3, 4 which is 25. 25 we got the median of this series. How? We have given 4 options. First one is 25, second one is 46, third one is 17 and fourth one is 24. So the correct option is option number A, which is 25. Now question number 10. Which of the following is range of the data? Here one series is given in front of you and you have to find out the range. And what is the formula of finding out range? Range is equals to highest frequency, highest observation minus lowest observation. So सबसे greatest observation we have to select. Which one is the greatest here? Here we have given 3, 2, 5, 10, 7, 3, 1. So highest observation is 10, which is 10. And which is the least observation, lowest? Lowest is 1 here. So 10 minus 1 which is equals to 9. 9 is the range of this data. Here option number 1 3, option number 2 10, option number 3 9 and option number 4 0. So we got the answer option number 3 9. So this is the range of this data. This is your class 4